This is the best Android phone money can buy. This is the brand new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and man, this phone is crazy good. The design is very premium and neat, and this color looks so good as well, just like an Ultra. The best thing, this phone has a crazy 200 megapixel camera, and it is one of the best cameras I have ever seen, just like an Ultra. I can even zoom 100x, and that is so cool. The video stabilization is super good on this one, and you can see how the frame is so steady even with this motion. Pretty cool, right? Plus there is this astrophotography mode on this one. Select the mode, start recording, and the phone will shoot the star trails and get you a video that looks so stunning like this one, just like an Ultra. This phone has an overclocked custom made Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 called the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy, and it performs without breaking a sweat. Enter S Pen. Yes, this phone comes with the iconic S Pen, and it looks and feels so good in the hand and consistently delivered a lag-free writing and doodling experience, just like an Ultra. It's kinda cool that the base variant of this phone comes with 256 GB storage and 12 GB of RAM. That should be enough for you guys, right? Also has the IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, so it's okay if you're clumsy with this phone. This one costs just 1,24,999 rupees. So go ahead, buy one and send this video to all your friends and ask them to buy one. See you tomorrow. Android phone money can